Pickleball is the fastest growing sport for 3 years running now. And I think it's in large part because people, even as they get older, they're looking for some social activity that allows them to stay active, move, and for some of us, even be competitive. Pickleball is kind of like a combination between tennis, badminton, ping pong, and it has all of the characteristics that you would think in a court sport. It actually involves a number of movements that include a lot of rotation, a lot of reaching, and it requires a certain amount of agility to get to the ball and the ability to keep your balance. The best way to prepare to play pickleball is what we generally call a continuous warm-up, which is not only get your heart rate up in an activity that's generally low impact, but also in a way that starts to use your joints inside the motion that you're going to be using it on the court. So that might be not only some light jogging activity, sometimes gentle stretching, but it's more like shuffling forward, shuffling back, using your arm in a way that's going to prepare for making swings, some gentle lunging activities that require you to get a little bit deeper into the motion so that you can meet and get the ball rather than having to reach for it with your arms, which can create an injury. Some of those stretches include stretching out the muscles on the back of your elbow. And it's pretty simple to do. You position your wrist in a certain way, stretch it, and allow the muscles and tendons of the arm and elbow to extend. Another important one would be a calf stretch. Get yourself in this position to allow your calf muscles to stretch over the top of the joints of the ankle and the knee. It's also important to loosen up your hips because your hips have to rotate on the court. And if you're not rotating at your hips, you're going to end up rotating in your back. And rotating at your back can have a consequence. There are a number of ways to also stretch the muscles around the knee. You can do a simple quadricep stretch, which allows you to just simply bring your foot up towards your bottom. And another activity would be a simple hamstring stretch. Pickleball can be pretty intense, and if you've had a hard game and you're already worked up and you've been playing harder and you're sweaty, it's always a good idea to cool down. Try to get an activity that allows your heart rate to decrease, and generally some gentle movements and or a brisk walk or some gentle stretches will help to create a better environment and probably help you feel better later in the day so you actually want to play pickleball again.